Health insurance, like any other type of insurance, has its own terminology. It is essential to understand it because without it, a useful health insurance comparison cannot be made. So, I will explain some of the most important health insurance terms so that you can make a smart and educated decision when choosing a medical plan. First terminology is premium, second is deductible, third is co-insurance, fourth is co-payment, and fifth is out-of-pocket maximum. I will explain all these terminologies with an example. Premiums. Premium is the amount you pay for insurance. Premiums are usually paid in monthly or quarterly installments. Deductible. The amount you need to pay towards your covered medical expenses in a policy year before your health insurance kicks in. Co-insurance. After you meet your deductible, you usually pay co-insurance. Co-insurance is the healthcare costs sharing between you and your insurance company. The co-insurance typically ranges between 20% to 60%. For example, if your co-insurance is 20%, it means you pay 20% for covered healthcare services and your insurer pays the remaining 80%. Next term is co-payment. A co-payment or co-pay is a fixed dollar amount you pay for covered medical services or when visiting a doctor. Last but not the least terminology is out-of-pocket maximum. Out-of-pocket maximum or out-of-pocket limit is the most you have to pay for covered medical services in your plan year. When you reach it, your insurer will pay for all covered services. Out-of-pocket maximum includes co-payment, deductible, co-insurance paid for covered services. However, it doesn't include insurance premiums. Now, we will understand all these terminologies by taking an example. Let's say you have a health plan with $10 copay for doctor visits, $1,000 for deductible, 20% co-insurance and $2,000 for out-of-pocket maximum. Let's assume a person meets with an accident and he visits nearby hospital. Hospital bill costs $2,000. Firstly, person will pay hospital bill with his deductible amount, which is $1,000. Remaining hospital bill balance is $1,000. So the remaining hospital bill will be paid by co-insurance. That means 20% will be paid by person's pocket and 80% will be paid by insurer. After this, we will check out-of-pocket maximum limit, which is equal to deductible plus copay plus co-insurance. In this case, person has paid $1,000 as deductible amount and $400 as co-insurance. So the total money person paid from his pocket is $1,400. Now we will check the out-of-pocket maximum limit, which is equal to $2,000 minus $1,400. So the remaining amount of out-of-pocket maximum limit is $600. Let's assume after 1 month person is suffering from pain in his arm. He will visit to nearby hospital. After his checkup, he checked his bill, which is equivalent to $3,010. $3,000 for hospital bill and $10 for doctor's fees. So the total amount he has to pay is $3010. Firstly, he checked his deductible amount, which was already finished in the previous visit. So this time he will use his copay money, which is $10. So the remaining hospital bill balance is $3,000, which will be paid by co-insurance. 20% of $3,000 will be paid by person's pocket and 80% of $3,000 will be paid by insurer. In this case, person will pay $600. Now look at the out-of-pocket maximum, which is equal to deductible plus copay plus co-insurance. In this case, deductible amount is already finished. Person has paid $10 for copay and $600 for co-insurance. Total amount which person will pay from his pocket is equivalent to $610. But the out-of-pocket maximum limit was $600 only. So in this visit, $10 will be paid by health insurance company along with $2,400. Also, person reached the out-of-pocket maximum limit, so from now onwards, all the medical expenses will be covered by insurer only. I hope now you all understand the relationship between copay, co-insurance, deductible and out-of-pocket maximum. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.